Hello guys! Hello guys! Uy. Hi there! Nobody can stop me now. I'm going straight to the beach. Okay. How are you? Ang dami kong dala. Ito. Malaking bag ko. Malaking tubig ko. So now I'm here going down directly. What a place! What a place! I'm going straight. I'm going straight. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. I'm going straight to the beach. Hey, kamusta naman kayo dyan? Sa wakas, meron na naman tayong bagong video. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Yoo-hoo! Nakikita nyo ba? Nakikita ko? Can you see what I'm seeing now? Okay. Vlog number tututut. So many. This is nature. Nobody can stop me. I'm on the ocean. Yay! Hello guys! Enjoying my time alone. I'm alone in the beach right now. Ba't ba ako nag-i-English? Nakita nyo ba yung view na yan? Okay, enjoy the view guys. Hi there dogs! Wow! 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 Okay. Hey! Wow! See that? Enjoy! Paano na? Kamusta naman kayo? So, andito po tayo ngayon sa lugar na secret. Hindi to pwede malaman ng maraming tao. Alam nyo kung bakit? Ang tao, pag nakita nila mga magandang lugar, dadayuhin nila at gagawin nilang progressive na naman. Ayaw na natin ng progress na yan. Alam nyo ba yung progress? Ginagamit nila yung word na progress to salulain ang ganitong klase ng nature. So, better mas maganda pa itong mga ganitong klaseng lugar na walang nakakaalam kasi you know, a secret island, a secret place within somewhere. Oh! Wow, we're going up there. Okay, wait. Dito kaya sila umakyat? Okay, going up. 4 minutes. Dito pala ang daan. Nice. Gusto ko talaga nature. Masaya talaga pag nasa nature ka. Enjoy the view. Minutes. This is somewhere you're now somewhere. Wala namang ganitong klaseng mga lugar na bundok-bundok. Almost there. So nice. So nice. Oopsie. What do you want? What do you want from me? Okay, it's time for beach. It's time for beach. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Pwede dito? Pwede kaya to? Tatayo ko dito, ha? Okay, we're going to the beach. How? Ito ko lalagay para hindi siya mainitan. Going straight to the beach. Panoorin nyo na kami dyan, ha? Para dumami. I wish you all success. Good health, good health. The most interesting and the most wealth that we have is our health. Oh, this is the original Talisay tree. Yeah, this is the original Talisay tree. Before meant to be very happy. Later let the AI operate the business. Let's do the but we don't sell small. And those people just came here. They're not from here. Just bring all your bags.
the most expensive. Have you been there?
My client brought me there. I was
Amount
there.
of been there. If you go to Macau, oh, Mindoro, you have to ako member na. Thank you, thank you. This is a big surprise. Like I didn't, because when you're checking the plane, only the half. We, although we are on, we put the house on audio on that, but we're not accepting many people. We just many people. I'm not allowed. Yes. Your mind is so stressful kanina just like you can tell me yeah, big Dubai. I wanted to come here just walk from Manila. That's my plan. Maybe I don't know that, but I need to have a plan. So nakita kita.
You want? My best friend literally walked the whole Philippines 5 times, and then he was invited to Europe. Mhm. He walked in Europe, and then the Vatican here, the Vatican is
But I will never tell them about this place. I will tell let's just walk and then go, yeah. And then yeah, walk and then when they breaking Ibaya. Before that adult is full power plant business and there's only yes. So you can go there. So that's the best place to go to. Because we were not interested. There's a diving tomorrow we have last chance to go there. Enjoying while doing. Let's do the trip. Let's eat lunch. Guys, let's eat lunch. Let's eat lunch! Lunch!
never go to and you'll never see. Bye. Woochoo. 15 minutes. One. Okay, last more. Last more view for my viewers. Last YouTube viewers. You, my friend,
Whoa, what's up?
from the land,
I'm as white as the beach.
from the different land. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Woo! Malaya, masaya, and payapang life. Buhay sakto.